You had a machine that had been running through the night. There's coolant all over the floor and you panic, right? What the heck just happened while we were lights out? We thought that the current conveyor system that was purchased with our machine tool would have sufficed. But what it was is this microchip. It was like sand. And what that was doing, it was getting through the pumps. It eventually just clogged up. Coolant went over the top of the coolant pan. The drills broke, ruined the part, and we come in and there's a mess all over the shop floor. So when I talked to Hennig, they said they have this coolant filtration system. It's kind of like a vacuum cleaner. One end goes into the coolant tank, then it sucks it into a filtration system, and then back is your clean coolant. There's no downtime. You're not gonna have any backups. It was perfect.
Many of the customers are running their machines 3 shifts. After a few months, you end up with a lot of sediment that gets in the bottom of your tank. We use a very low pressure, low flow pump that extracts the coolant with all these particulates out, runs through our cyclonic system, then it flows the clean coolant back into it. What happens is you can run this system for 2 to 4 days and generally clean out your tank.
So we've been using this coolant filtration system, particularly on our horizontal machining center. But since we solved that problem in that machine tool, we've moved this over to other machine tools on the shop floor to help clean the coolant tanks in those machines as well.
We recognize the importance of being able to have this mobile, so a customer, if they have 5 or 8 machines, they can buy one of these systems and keep it clean. Where maybe traditionally 6 weeks or 8 weeks, they might need to be looking at doing a major downtime. Now they're running into a situation where they could be maybe 2 to 4 to 6 months before they have to really look at changing any kind of coolants out.
Sometimes it takes a day or 2 of a machinist's labor to pull that tank out, do an entire cleanup, and put it back in. Not to mention the downtime of the machine. If you're not making chips, you're not making money. These are the things that are important to me as the president and owner of a machine shop.